When it comes to gathering everything you need for an epic gaming setup, sometimes getting the right thing can slip through the cracks, and that's when 3D printers come in handy. Welcome back. If you're new around here, my name is Chris and this is Coalition Gaming, where I like to share my knowledge of PC building, repairing, and streaming with you all. If you're into that sort of thing, make sure you hit that subscribe button so you don't miss any videos. Have you ever bought something for your gaming setup, then once you finally had the time to get everything put together, you realized, uh-oh, this isn't gonna work? It happens to the best of us. Well, when we were building out my brother's setup a while back, we realized the monitor he got didn't have the VESA compatibility to be mounted to a dual monitor arm. Samsung Odyssey 24-inch 144Hz 1080p curved monitor paired with a secondary monitor was set up on a dual gas arm desk mount. Whoopsie on the Samsung though, no VESA mount holes, but a 3D printed adapter will take care of that. Well, we're gonna have to get that, but in the meantime, it's gonna look just fine like that. I figured someone had to have had this problem before, so after some quick Googling, I found this. Now, I happen to have access to 3D printers where I work, so I loaded this file and got this print going, and the end result came out very nice. We used a white PLA filament, and after 14 or so hours, the print was ready. Yes! My brother got it installed and mounted, and everything looked like it was working out great. Fast forward about a month though, and disaster happened. The adapter broke. No! Yep, the monitor fell flat on its face. Fortunately, the monitor didn't take any damage.
Whew, that was close.
If you remember friend of the channel, Homebrewed Hero from the 3D printed SM7B microphone video, he came in clutch once again here. I asked him for advice and he offered to print a new adapter with a stronger material known as PLA Plus instead of regular PLA.
I'm stronger.
Right about now, you might be saying to yourself, well, I don't own a 3D printer or know anyone with one. Fear not, if you like solving problems with creative solutions from a 3D printer, many local libraries can give you access to 3D printers and people to help you with that. Makerspaces are also a thing, so if you strike out on local libraries with that kind of tech, then a quick Google search for makerspace near me should get you the rest of the way there. So over 6 months later, the updated print with a stronger material has held up without issues. Encountering a problem, then finding a solution that is equal parts interesting and cool is just so awesome.
I love it when a plan comes together.
Now, it was in my revisiting of this topic for this video that I found Vivo makes a metal adapter to do exactly this, but for $30 and waiting for it to ship. I still think we made a good choice though. Speaking of that 3D printed SM7B video, it's linked right over there. I hope you found this video interesting, entertaining, or otherwise informative. If you like this video, you know what to do. Hit that subscribe button and that bell so you don't miss a single upload. Also, I stream to Twitch every Friday at twitch.tv/coalitionchris, so feel free to stop by, drop a follow, and let's talk tech.